So today I'm going to show you how to deposit on your Webull account. We're actually going to have the app up here in real time so you can follow along step by step. And we're actually going to be here on the main page of our Webull account. And you'll know that by the icon over here at the bottom being highlighted, it is the middle icon. And once we are on this page, there's a couple different ways you can get to being able to deposit on your Webull account. But the fastest way, honestly, is going to be the transfer button up here towards the top. And in this section over here, there is going to be your transfer money. You can tap anywhere on the screen over here or the right-hand arrow. And from here, it's going to ask you how much you would like to transfer into your account. You can put any dollar amount that works for you. And then it's going to ask you which account you want to pull from. So we're going to go ahead and click on choose an account. Now from here, if you have an account on file, you can go ahead and just choose that. If you don't already have an account on file, this will be also the same process to go ahead and add a bank on file or a linked debit card that will allow you for instant transfers. Keeping in mind that a bank transfer can also be instant with their instant deposit feature up to a certain dollar amount. Now for us, we're going to go ahead and choose our bank account on file. And that's going to go ahead and populate over here with our actual brokerage account here on the to section. Now, next up here, it's going to ask you if you'd like to schedule it just one time. But if you toggle on this, you can also do reoccurring with daily, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, however option works best for you. But for this example, we're just going to keep it as the one time. From here, we're going to go ahead and click on review at the bottom. And from here, it's just going to be a quick overview letting you know where it's pulling from, where it's going to, the schedule, and then also the estimated time of arrival, but also keeping in mind that with the instant deposit, you'll have access to this money within just a couple of minutes to start investing with, and then that money will still need to be pulled from your bank on file. And then from here, you can go ahead and click on submit, so that way that money can be pulled into your Webull account, so you can start buying some stocks or ETFs, which if you want to learn how to do just that, we'll have this video right over here for you, so you can keep on learning.